In a global market shaped by constant change, time becomes the clearest measure of resilience. In 2025, Gushine electronics keep moving forward, meeting challenges directly and navigating uncertainty with focus and discipline. On April 9th, we officially joined the MIIT Lithium-Ion Battery Standards Working Group. On May 27th, Gushine's headquarters relocated to Jinwan, Zhuhai, scaling up both our office and manufacturing space. In the autumn of this year, Gushine took a decisive step into Vietnam. With the launch of our Vietnam factory, we entered a new phase of dual-base manufacturing. On October 18th, the Gushine Vietnam factory officially opened. Rooted locally, serving globally, our supply chain is now stronger and more resilient than ever. Across key global markets, we stay closely aligned with customer needs. Every in-depth discussion sharpens our understanding and strengthens the confidence behind each decision we make. The challenges of 2025 went well beyond expectations. An expanded management scope tested cooperation. Rapid production scaling placed real pressure on quality systems. Machines may pause, processes may slow, but our commitment to execution never stops. Guided by discipline and quality standards, we delivered 6.95 million lithium battery modules on schedule in 2025. As global markets experienced rapid growth and sharp fluctuations, our steady revenue performance became a clear evidence of a business built for durability, not short-term cycles. Behind every milestone is a measurable progress. By the end of 2025, nearly 220 companies chose to work with Gushine. Their trust continues to drive us forward. In 2025, the photovoltaic system at our headquarters generated approximately 558,000 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity, reducing carbon emissions by about 365 metric tons. The Gushine team also continued to grow. More than 200 professionals joined our team, more than 600 production line employees, working together to support daily operation and long-term growth. Everything we've experienced has become part of our foundation. The work of 2025 sets the direction for what comes next, and the blueprint for 2026 is already taking shape.
希望股星可以拿下更多的大客户。
希望我们明年能够拿下更多订单。
希望我们明年的生产效率再提升20%。
希望明年更多优秀的小伙伴加入我们股星大家庭。
希望明年实验室早日通过 steadfast 认证。希望我们2026年的样品通过率越来越高。
At Gushine, resilience isn't about short-term results. It's about moving forward together through every challenge. 2026 is the next chapter. With clear goals and shared commitment, we continue the journey together.